Hello, readers, and welcome to this daily setups with Eivind Bydall for mentorship students on AIM Today is 23rd of November 2020. We today have seen, I would say, a quite magnificent sell-off based upon positive PMI news. I also think that Teddy might be onto something, that it might be the end of contracts. So they're closer tomorrow. And what do we do now? Well, what do we do now is actually very interesting. I don't know where prices are going. It has blown through that, and maybe hell, that support. That's the only hope. Because of the drop, we have pivots are going down, prices are going down, but is price going to likely go up? Yes, that's my belief. That might be not necessarily what will happen, but I will trade if I see a higher high here. Though less risk, less whatever you call it, less like just stop losses. I don't know, down here maybe. So less lot size, less risk, and if you see at the bottom here, maybe a new higher high, we are cool. But apart from that, dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar is kind of dead on the daily. We might be ending up on the week, but today was dramatic, I must say that. And with a lot of break evens, is a little fall, and with a little scare. Because this is okay coming back down here. That's all okay. This is a bit more dramatic, and in 2 4-hour candles, or no, in 1 2-hour candles, I really didn't like that. And on euro, we even had, is it 100 pip fall? Somewhere around there. Yeah, so basically we just back to back profit target to profit target this week. So also on this one, you can kick off daily, I guess, on this one. Just see. This is daily pivots, okay. Yeah, that's what it so far seems like, and that's the scary part. I don't really like more than that, so I don't want to see that, and I want to see maybe that, or just maybe that, like just complete reverse back up again. So far, mute. Take a day off tomorrow or something. Just don't play it risky. I won't. I have a lot of break evens, even some stop losses, so it wasn't a good day. But I still have a lot of profits left in the bank. But yeah, I did personally take a wild card here, though not on any strategy that I have. But it's just I figure out that by 1800 my time, it stops. Sometimes it ends. Things dies out. If that will now make anything, maybe, I don't know. My point is that is not my strategy. Why did I do it? I don't know. My brain does work funny sometimes. I am break even now, so if I do lose, I don't care. And I was right. Was it normal loss? No. Was it normal risk? No. But just so you know that if I talk about that line again, I do have said it to you guys. Other than that, I think I'm just going to take dollar break tomorrow, as I've said already. Pound has already taken profit for the week, so that's basically done. That's the only one that could defend the fall. That's an okay fall if you are a weekly trader. So it's really the fall. Straight up to take profit, back down to central, and you're done. Nothing. Gold also was straight down to take profit. Teddy talked about that this might rise. I haven't done the research. I'm going to do that now, so I might be talking about it in the Discord channel about gold rising. But other than that, we have to do more research into that. So still no market on this one, and still an up market. GJ taking profit. New Zealand dollar seemingly again just making a pullback before falling again. Like if it happens, it happens, and if it does go up again, I'll be very happy. Going down to 15 minutes time frame on this one. Let's see. Going up down to 15-minute time frame. That is the bottom. The other question is that going to hold? The other question is that going to hold? We don't know. That is okay. That is okay. Going down here again, that's not okay. So if you just can keep price above 69, all good. I think this was just a shaking the tree, shaking a banana tree so far, and scare people out. But as you can see, that's M2, and if we hit M2, we're all good to go up. And if it doesn't hold, don't care. And if you do feel like having a time here, have that in mind as one on daily or weekly take profit target in mind as well. That's the one that I would play, but take profit is down here, so that's very far away. So just use daily, but small risk, small risk, small risk. On the yens, on the other hand, it's a totally different market. Yen has been so strong for so long. Dollar is so much higher. Maybe that's why it fell so much as well. Like since the, I would call that the breakout, it has only done 144. But an Australian dollar, since the breakout, it has done 150. Oh, that was a fail. So yeah, here is all good, all going good. Coming back up, coming back to daily pivot, buying back up. Nothing more than that. Today didn't get any entries unless you took that one. That's all okay as well. If you see a break below this one, I think you should be worried. Maybe stop break even. Once you are up here and it starts selling off again, so really up here, maybe you would also have a second buy down here. That's all okay. So you choose if you take daily, central pivot, or if you also take this double bottom, higher high, retest again before going higher. Canadian, suddenly bullish again. Side range, up, down, buy, up, down, buy, central, pivot. This area didn't quite catch it. Maybe take just an order and see if it comes back down for London Open tomorrow. That's all. Euro-yen opened up on central pivot for the day. This seems to be the greatest area. I will just do orders and then see how it goes at central or just below central at around 23.40 area. I'll have to do a bit more if I can get it all the way down there. I think it's a bit risky to be very picky with the prices, but if I can get it down to 124 on 123.40, I will be happy. New Zealand yen, another one that is just going higher. So that was the price of here buy, going higher, going higher, going higher, going higher. So if you really wanted 1, 2, 3 buys today, but I minimally have that one, and I can't remember if I did any more than that. And than this one for today. Might also been front run already, so be aware of that. I think that's that for Australian dollar. No, for dollar, sorry. I think that's everything for dollar and yens. You also wanted me to go through the markets for tomorrow. Some risk for tomorrow. I didn't think that PMI would actually be so volatile in the market. I don't think that's the real reason. I think it's just shaking the tree. I think we're going to go back up again. I just don't know when. If it's tomorrow, if it's this week, or if we're just going to shake it. Everyone think it's now going to sell down, and then all of a sudden we go back up again. Might be the one. Jobless, very interesting. And some other core CPS, very important to look out for. I would say that because that's what the central bank is looking for. And some trade balance for New Zealand, also important for New Zealand. And FOMC meeting minutes, also important for dollar. And some consumer sentiment. So I don't know, this might not move the market. It's more on Thursday, but have an eye open, I guess. Have an eye open. Doesn't shake the tree tomorrow as much. FOMC meeting can, but trade imports is important. Core CPI is important, and jobless claims was important. Other than that, see you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic night, good sleep, and I hope that you didn't lose too much money today, that you have a lot of your trades break even, and we just need to start over again. That's all. So I will wait for tomorrow, see what tomorrow brings, maybe bring some more orders in, but only with smaller loss, smaller risk, so I might not have the returns I want if this decides to actually go back up again. Okay, cool. Boom. See you guys.